everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through a quick and simple step on how to buy Bitcoin from Bifrost Wallet account. So let's get started. Open your Bifrost Wallet application and make sure that you're logged into your wallet. After you are logged into your wallet, tap on the little blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now, you should be able to see three options in the pop-up. Tap on buy and then go and look for the Bitcoin cryptocurrency you'd like to buy. You can also type in Bitcoin and search. Now enter the amount of US dollar you'd like to spend, which will show you the worth of Bitcoin you are gonna receive. After you are done typing it down, tap continue. It'll then take you to app.topperpay.com where you'll need to follow through the on-screen prompts. Check if your details are correct. You can also go ahead and select your currency from the drop-down. If you want to correct something, you can do it right now. And finally, tap the continue button at the bottom. You'll need to log in to your Topper account. So go ahead and enter your email, verify your email address, and then you should be able to complete your transaction. Carefully review the transaction details, including the purchase amount, fees, confirm the transaction if everything looks correct, and you'll be able to purchase Bitcoin on Bifrost. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.